Nvidia has more than doubled, more than tripled year to date. It's astounding. Right now, $3.35 trillion market value. It's added $2.1 trillion in market value this year.
Nvidia has just surged past Apple, now ranking as the second largest US company by market value, driven by the explosive growth of artificial intelligence. Their groundbreaking GPU technology has revolutionized how computers display images, dramatically enhancing video games and graphics. With Nvidia shaking up the tech world, a burning question emerges. What's next for Apple? Let's explore the potential shifts in the tech landscape and what Apple might do to regain its edge. Rising to the peak of the US tech sector. Nvidia's Rise is a major achievement for a company that started by making chips for better graphics. Founded in 1993 by Jen-Hsun Huang, Chris Malachowsky, and Curtis Priem, Nvidia aimed to improve graphics processing in personal computers. Their key invention, the graphics processing unit, changed how computers handle visual data, leading to smoother gameplay and better graphics for PC gamers. But gaming wasn't Nvidia's only focus. The company realized that GPUs could also handle other complex tasks, not just graphics. They introduced the CUDA programming model, allowing developers to use GPUs for various computing tasks. This opened doors in fields like scientific simulations, medical imaging, financial analysis, and weather prediction. Nvidia's big moment came with the rise of AI. Deep learning, a part of AI that needs a lot of data processing, was perfect for GPUs. Nvidia quickly saw this chance and positioned itself as a key player in AI development. They invested heavily in research, creating tools and libraries for deep learning using GPUs. But this wasn't the end of the story. As demand for AI applications grew in areas like self-driving cars, facial recognition, language processing, and drug development, Nvidia's GPUs became central to these advancements. Nvidia also built a complete ecosystem for AI development. They launched the Nvidia Developer Program, giving developers access to necessary tools and resources. This support system helped create a community of innovators who could push the limits of AI technology. As Nvidia's influence in the AI market grows, its role as a key driver of technological progress is more recognized. The company's journey from making graphics cards to leading in AI shows how strategic thinking and continuous innovation can take a company to great heights. The tech world watches closely to see if Nvidia can keep growing and shape the future of technology. Nvidia's journey in the tech world has been marked by fast growth and a dedication to pushing the limits of what's possible with artificial intelligence. By building a strong community of developers and offering training on AI projects, Nvidia has quickly boosted the use of its technology. Partnering with major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform made Nvidia's powerful GPUs easy to access for developers working in cloud environments. This strategy has cemented Nvidia's role as a leading platform for AI innovation. Inside Nvidia, the company culture has been key to its success. Known for aggressively chasing new technologies and taking risks, Nvidia constantly invests in advanced fields like high-performance computing and the Omniverse, a cutting-edge real-time 3D simulation platform. These efforts not only push current technology boundaries, but also open up new markets, driving Nvidia's growth even more. Nvidia's transformation from just a graphics card maker to a major player in AI technology has been remarkable. By leveraging its core technologies, creating an ecosystem supportive of AI development, and fostering a culture of innovation, Nvidia has positioned itself as a leader in groundbreaking technologies. But the big question remains, can Nvidia keep up this incredible momentum? As the AI field keeps evolving and new technologies emerge, there are both big opportunities and tough competition ahead. Let's see how Nvidia is leading the tech race, powering the future of AI and beyond. Fueled by a growing demand for AI chips in areas like data centers, self-driving cars, and the vast world of the metaverse, Nvidia stock has soared an incredible 147% in 2024 alone. This jump was spotlighted by the enthusiastic reception of CEO Jen-Hsun Huang at the Computex Tech trade show in Taipei, showing the market's high hopes for Nvidia's future. Investors are especially hopeful, given Nvidia's control of about 70% of the AI chip market, putting them in a strong position to benefit from the expanding AI sector. Plus, Nvidia's history of innovation and smart market moves makes it well-placed to take advantage of future tech shifts and maintain its growth in a rapidly changing industry. But that's not the end of the story. As Nvidia continues to push the envelope, it faces the ongoing challenge of staying ahead in a field that's constantly evolving. Will Nvidia be able to keep leading the way in AI and beyond? Only time will tell, but the company's track record suggests it's ready to meet the challenge. Nvidia is changing the world of artificial intelligence with new and better chip technology. They're planning to launch the Rubin platform in 2026, which will be even more powerful and efficient than their current Blackwell architecture. This move keeps Nvidia at the top of the AI technology game, helping them stay ahead in a tough market. Nvidia isn't just focusing on gaming anymore. They've branched out into other areas like data centers, professional visualization, and automotive sectors. This smart move means they're not relying only on the gaming industry, which can be unpredictable, although gaming is still an important part of their business. The stock market likes what Nvidia is doing. Their stock is now worth 39 times their expected earnings, down from over 70 times last year. This drop shows that despite recent price hikes, experts believe Nvidia still has room to grow. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple, once a tech giant, is facing some tough times. The global smartphone market is slowing down, and the iPhone sales are not as strong as they used to be. Several reasons explain this trend. People are keeping their smartphones longer because there aren't many new features that make them want to upgrade every year. Modern phones are also more durable and perform well over time. The prices of high-end smartphones, including the iPhone, have gone up a lot. This higher cost turns away budget-conscious buyers and makes it harder for loyal customers to justify buying a new phone frequently. Mid-tier phones have gotten much better and now offer features that used to be only in premium models. This makes spending extra on a high-end phone less appealing. Seeing these problems, Apple has changed its strategy. They're focusing more on their services like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and the App Store, which bring in steady revenue and aren't as affected by hardware sales. But the real challenge is yet to come. Apple is also trying to capture the high-end market by introducing even more expensive flagship models with unique features. They're betting on customers willing to pay for these exclusive new options. Apple is looking to grow in emerging markets like India and Southeast Asia, where fewer people own smartphones. These regions offer new growth opportunities, but Apple has to compete with local brands and deal with economic challenges. Whether Apple's new strategies will work in these emerging markets, and if they can keep their loyal customers while attracting new ones, remains to be seen. In a market that's getting more crowded every day, people are starting to worry that Apple is lagging behind big names like Google and Amazon when it comes to adding AI features. The fast changes in AI are shaking up the tech world, and Apple's future success really depends on how well it can use these new AI technologies. Now let's check out Apple's strategy in a tough market. Apple versus Nvidia in the AI arena. At the same time, Apple faces tough competition from Chinese smartphone brands like Huawei and Xiaomi, especially in the important Chinese market. This year, Apple's stock has only gone up by 1.7%, showing these concerns. Even though Apple has a strong following, its growth seems less certain compared to Nvidia, which is growing fast by focusing on AI. To understand these big changes, let's look at how Nvidia stacks up against other tech companies. Nvidia leads the graphics card market, beating its closest competitor, AMD, which is also growing thanks to more AI use. While AMD is doing well, Nvidia still has a big lead in market share. Right now, AMD's stock is a bit higher than Nvidia's based on expected earnings. Intel, which used to lead the CPU market, is now struggling to keep up with Nvidia and AI chip technology. Despite spending a lot to catch up, Intel's problems are clear in its lower stock price compared to Nvidia's. Meta, formerly Facebook, is in a different spot. It's a big player in AI research but relies heavily on online ads, which makes its business riskier than Nvidia's hardware-focused model. Meta's stock is valued at about 18 times its expected earnings. The competition between Nvidia and Apple shows how quickly the tech industry is changing. As AI technology moves forward, companies that use it well are likely to lead. Investors believe Nvidia will be a leader in this new era. But keep in mind that the stock market can be unpredictable. While Nvidia looks strong, unexpected problems could arise. Apple, with its powerful brand and loyal customers, is still a major player. The final outcome of this tech race will depend on many things: Nvidia's ability to keep innovating in AI, Apple's efforts to stand out in a crowded market and use AI effectively, and the overall economic conditions affecting both companies. The rise of AI is set to change how we interact with technology, making us wonder just how much it will become part of our everyday lives and reshape our tech world. Artificial intelligence is quickly changing how we live our daily lives. It's showing up everywhere, from shopping and working to healthcare and city travel. This is happening because we're creating more data than ever, and our computers are getting really powerful. Plus, we're getting better at making machines learn on their own. AI is doing amazing things in healthcare. It's now helping doctors look at medical images and spot diseases early. For example, Google's DeepMind has made a tool that looks at eye scans to find signs of diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness. Similarly, IBM's Watson Health helps hospitals go through patient records to find health risks before they become serious. In transportation, self-driving cars are no longer just a dream. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are creating cars that can drive themselves using AI. These cars use cameras, LiDAR, and radar to see and understand the road. While they're still being tested, AI is already helping with features like lane keeping and automatic braking in regular cars. AI also makes our shopping and entertainment experiences better. Platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to suggest products or shows you might like based on what you've bought or watched before. This makes customers happier and more likely to stick with these services. In logistics, AI helps companies like Amazon predict what products will be needed and manage inventory efficiently. It also automates tasks in warehouses like sorting and packing items, which reduces the need for human workers. Next, explore how AI is changing our daily lives, exposing AI's expanding role in creative innovation. But that's not all. AI is also boosting creativity. In graphic design, AI tools help artists try out new ideas and improve their work. In music, AI can even compose new pieces, giving musicians fresh elements to add to their songs. But this isn't the end of AI's influence. Its role is growing in so many areas, showing that its potential is huge and truly game-changing. AI is everywhere, and it's just getting started. As it keeps advancing, its impact on our lives will only grow, making things easier, smarter, and more efficient. To handle the big demands of training huge AI models, Nvidia has created NVLink, a fast and modern way for GPUs to talk to each other. This helps GPUs work together smoothly in a system. Nvidia's top-notch GPUs make it a favorite among data scientists and researchers working on important AI projects. Major cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform use Nvidia's GPU technology to power their AI services. Many industries such as healthcare, automotive, and finance also use Nvidia's solutions for tasks like image recognition, language processing, and data analysis. Looking ahead, Nvidia is not stopping. They are pushing GPU technology forward with the upcoming Ada Lovelace Architecture RTX 40 series, expected by late 2024. This new series will be faster and more powerful than the current RTX 30 series. Nvidia is also working on high-bandwidth memory, which will speed up data movement within the GPU. Nvidia offers the deep learning GPU system family for those needing a ready-to-use AI system. These systems come as pre-configured workstations and servers with multiple high-performance GPUs, advanced networking, and large storage. The top model, the DGX A100, has 8 A100 Tensor Core GPUs, making it perfect for training large and complex AI models. Individual researchers and developers might prefer the DGX Station A100, a powerful workstation with a single A100 GPU, providing strong AI capabilities in a smaller size. The DGX Station A132GB model, with its 32 GB of HBM memory, is great for tasks that need a lot of computing power, like neural rendering. But this isn't the best part. Nvidia's DGX systems cater to a wide range of users, from large research institutions to companies with specialized AI teams. These systems are essential for processing power. Even startups and smaller companies find the DGX lineup valuable as an affordable, pre-configured AI solution. Nvidia keeps updating its DGX systems with the latest GPU technology and innovations, ensuring they stay at the forefront of AI development tools. Nvidia's next generation of DGX systems will use the upcoming Ada Lovelace architecture, which will greatly improve their performance. Alongside this, Nvidia is thinking about offering cloud-based DGX solutions. This means users could access powerful AI tools whenever they need them, directly from the cloud. Nvidia is also introducing a suite of AI software tools to make developing AI easier. This suite is called Nvidia AI Enterprise and includes several tools for different parts of the AI process. One key part of this suite is Nvidia NGC, a cloud platform with pre-trained AI models, software containers, and tools to speed up AI work. Another important tool is the Nvidia Triton Inference Server, an open-source program that helps manage and apply trained AI models in real-life situations. Additionally, Nvidia Rapids provides libraries and APIs to speed up data science tasks like data loading, cleaning, and analysis, all optimized for AI. These tools are designed to help various AI professionals. Data scientists and researchers can use NGC to quickly access models and tools for their projects. Software developers deploying AI models can use the Triton Inference Server to manage these applications effectively. Data analysts dealing with large data sets will find Rapids data processing features very useful. Keep reading to see how Nvidia plans to shape the future. New features and future trends. Nvidia keeps improving its AI software suite by adding new features and capabilities. As the AI industry evolves, we can expect even more improvements, like better integration with cloud services and an expanded library of pre-trained models on NGC. Rapids will also likely get upgrades, introducing more powerful data science tools to make AI development even more efficient. Looking ahead, Nvidia plans to focus on key trends influencing AI product development. As AI models become more complex, there's a need for more efficient hardware and software. Nvidia plans to invest in technologies like high bandwidth memory and explore new chip architectures to boost performance while reducing power use. And with the rise of cloud computing, Nvidia will likely strengthen its integration with major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This will offer seamless access to its powerful AI tools and on-demand infrastructure. But that's not the only challenge. As AI models get more advanced, there's a growing need for explainable AI. This means developing AI that users can understand and trust, ensuring these complex models are transparent and reliable. Ensuring that AI technology is clear and understandable is very important. Nvidia plans to invest heavily in tools that help developers understand how their AI models make decisions. This is key to building trust and using AI responsibly. When it comes to hardware, general-purpose GPUs are very versatile. However, there is a growing need for specialized hardware that can perform better in specific areas like robotics or language processing. Nvidia is thinking about creating such specialized technologies to meet these needs more effectively. Nvidia's Inception Program is essential in turning innovative research into real-world applications. It supports emerging AI talents and helps them bring their groundbreaking ideas to market. Launched in 2016, the program has been crucial in fostering a new generation of AI innovators by offering a more inclusive and supportive environment compared to traditional accelerators. This program is open to startups at various stages, from early ideas to those already launching products, offering them many resources without the high initial costs of hardware. Joining the Inception Program gives startups access to some of Nvidia's most advanced hardware and the NGC platform, which includes pre-trained models and other development tools. This is crucial for those needing to train complex AI models or develop data-centric applications. Nvidia goes beyond just providing hardware. They offer direct support from their engineers and experts. This help is invaluable for startups, especially those still developing their in-house AI skills. They assist with optimizing AI models, troubleshooting, and effectively using the latest AI technologies. Additionally, the Inception Program includes marketing and sales support to help startups gain visibility and connect with potential customers. This includes opportunities for co-marketing, industry event participation, and media exposure through Nvidia's network. Another critical aspect of the Inception Program is how it connects startups with investors. Nvidia helps make introductions to venture capitalists and angel investors interested in AI and deep learning technologies. This can be crucial for getting the funding needed for further development and entering the market. The program also builds a community of AI startups, offering forums and networking events where members can exchange ideas, collaborate, and find inspiration among peers. This community is not just about business growth, but also about sparking innovation and sharing knowledge. The Inception Program's impact is clear in its global reach and the diversity of startups it supports. For example, UK-based Recycly uses Nvidia's technology to enhance recycling processes with AI-driven image recognition, while German startup Deepomatic benefits from Nvidia's GPUs for developing autonomous vehicle technologies. Similarly, iFlyTech from China has improved its speech recognition and natural language processing models through collaboration with Nvidia. But this isn't the end of the benefits. As AI reshapes various industries, the Inception Program stands out as a robust support system for startups. It not only offers technical resources and expertise, but also marketing support and investor networking, significantly easing the journey from concept to market. What do you think will be the ethical implications of AI's rapid integration into our everyday lives? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.